Hi everyone, Tofata here from Cigarettes and welcome to another video. Today we're talking about my nuclear family. My nuclear family. Who's in my family? Can I even describe them in Setswana? Who's there? Let's get started. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and get our coloring books. Get our coloring books. Link will be down below in the description bar. Let's get started. So, who is in my family? So, I'm in my family. Na is me. Na means me. Na. Then I have mom, mama, or me. Mama or me, that is mom. Then you have dad. Dad. Papa. Re. Ntate. Papa. Re. Or ntate. All those are different ways of saying dad. Dad. Papa. Re. Or ntate. So normally the people who say mama also say papa. Mama le papa means mom and dad. Mama le papa. Me le re. Me le re. Or that one can be me lintate. Me lintate means mom and dad. And then you might have older siblings or older sibling, singular. Nkonni. Nkonni is an older sibling. If you're lucky to have a few, I'm a firstborn, so I don't have that luck. If you're lucky to have a few older siblings, bo nkonni means older siblings, plural. Nake means younger sibling. If you have a few of those, I just have one. But if you have a few, bonake means younger siblings. Now you can have a boy, musimani, or girl, mosetsana. Right? Girl. So you can describe na ke mosetsana. I am a girl. Na ke mosetsana. I am a girl. Then you can say nkgonne wa mosimane. If you have many siblings and you're trying to say my older brother, nkgonne wa mosimane. Nkgonne wa mosimane means older sibling who's a boy, older brother. Older sibling who's a boy, which is older brother. Or nkgonne wa mosetsana. Nkgonne wa mosetsana. Older sibling who is a girl. Older sibling who is a girl. Nnake wa mosimane. Nnake wa mosimane. If you have a lot of siblings and you're like, my younger brother. Nnake wa mosimane, younger brother. Nnake wa mosimane. Younger sister, nnake wa mosetsana. Nnake wa mosetsana. Younger sister. Right? So you know how to describe your members of the family without actually using their names. You say na. You might say kibidiwa, na kibidiwa Tsarofatu. I am called Tsarofatu. Ke nna le mama le papa. Ke nna le mama le papa. I stay with mom and dad. Ke na le nnake wa mosetsana. Ke na le nnake wa mosetsana. I have a younger sister. Ga ke na nkgonne. Ga ke na nkgonne means I don't have an older sibling. Or ga ke na nnake. Ga ke na nnake. I don't have a young sibling. Right? Or ke na le bonkgono ba le bane. Ke na le bonkgono ba le bane means I have 4 older siblings. Ke na le bonkgono ba le bane. I have 4 older siblings. Ke na le bonnake ba le babedi. I have 2 younger siblings. Ke na le bonnake ba le babedi. I have 2 younger siblings. Then you might describe them, whether they're boys or girls, or you describe one and say, Nnake wa mosimane means my younger brother. Nnake wa mosetsana, my younger sister. Nkgonne wa mosimane, my older brother. Nkgonne wa mosetsana, my older sister. Yay! Now you can describe your nuclear family. Remember to like, subscribe, and don't forget to put this on your Amazon cart. It's under Lusika Writes. Khosiame. Till next time.